season 4 of Fix It or Fabulous is currently airing. So we have, the last of this season airs until March, and we have a really big fun announcement at the end of the season, a space that we renovated that will be a space for our community that we can't wait to share about. Can't talk about it yet. And then we have Hometown Takeover. We renovated an entire town, 6 homes and 6 businesses in Colorado this past year. It was a lot of work, and that airs this spring, April. And we're also partnering with Arm & Hammer on the Give It the Hammer campaign, really focused on giving families value and giving back.
Times are tough out there. You need to be looking for every single value that you can, especially when you go to the supermarket. So we are partnering to Give It the Hammer and talk about some of the amazing products that we use every day.
We have 5 kids who are very busy. They all, they play sports. We live on a farm. We have a lot of animals. Our schedules are busy. Their schedules are busy. And so we really want products in our home that can do more than one thing, that are really versatile. Like you can use this little box across your entire home, and we love that. All of the uses, hundreds of uses for Arm & Hammer baking soda. We obviously do laundry all the time. We have 5 kids, so every day we're doing laundry. I love that the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent has OxiClean in it, because that is really important for us. We live on a farm. There's always stains and mud and grime, so we need all the help we can get when it comes to keeping our clothes clean and our kids' clothes clean. And we also love the value that these products provide, and not only the value, but the fact that Arm & Hammer also gives back.
Yes.
And the fact that
so important.
Yeah, we're working with them and Habitat for Humanity here in Benton County to give to 44 families in need, and give all of these products so that families in our community can care for their family and their home in a really, really awesome way. It's very generous.
Jenny says it all the time, and it's like an integral part of our show, but make the home a reflection of you and your family. It does not have to look like what you see on social media at all. Make it a place that you walk into that you're happy and you're joyful. It needs to be a reflection of what you love.
For more information, you can visit armandhammer.com/Give It the Hammer.